Can we get this video to 30 likes? Yes, we can. So make sure to smash that like button. I would greatly appreciate it. And also subscribe if you are new. I'd also greatly appreciate that. And also turn on post notifications so you don't miss out every time I put in a video. But other than that, enjoy the rest of the video. Alrighty everybody, that was this video. Like I said in the beginning, can we get this video to 30 likes? Yes we can, so make sure to smash that like button. I would greatly appreciate it. And also subscribe if you are new, and share this video with your friends. I would greatly appreciate that too. And also comment which style of drawing. Don't be afraid to comment, because I reply back to every single comment. Here's Broly from Dragon Ball. Hope you all enjoyed. Honestly, I had quite a hard time shaping the body, because usually I do not draw characters that have so many muscles, and honestly it was kind of hard to shape the muscles because they're very wide. But yeah, hopefully you all enjoyed. I'm going to be leaving a list of my drawing playlist in the description, so if you want to check it out, check it out. I'm sure you'll find some anime characters that I've drawn before that you really like, so make sure to check it out. It's going to be in the description. I almost forgot that we hit 6,000 subscribers, which is so crazy. Thank you all so much for the constant support, for the people who watch my videos through the end and like my videos and comment on my videos. Thank you all so much. I really appreciate each and every single one of you. But yeah, everybody, hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe. Until next time, everybody, peace.